Hi everyone. So I'm beyond grateful for all the support and love that you have shown me over years. And this YouTube silver play button is testament for all the support that you have shown me. So I'm going to quickly unbox this silver play button and show you what's inside. All right, here we go. All right, so there is a nice message from the YouTube CEO Neil Mohan. Or your 1000 subscriber. Don't remember your 100k subscribers. So yes, this is very special. And here is the YouTube silver play button presented to Harsh Agrawal for passing 100k subscriber. And thank you so much. It really feels good to receive an award like this. It actually encourages us to do more. And thank you for tuning to Harsh Agrawal YouTube channel. See you around. Bye-bye.